How to delete roles in Discord. Cleaning up unused or outdated roles from your server. Deleting roles is super easy and I will guide you through it step by step. Let's jump in. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Now open your Discord server. Go to the server where the role you want to delete exists. Click your server name in the top left corner. Then select server settings from the menu. Now click roles from the left sidebar. Scroll through the list and click on the role you want to remove. You will see 3 dots at the right side of the role. Click on that. From the menu that appears, select delete. Note, you can't delete a role that's currently assigned to yourself unless you switch to another role first. And that's how you delete roles in Discord, a great way to keep your server clean and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.